I'm Jack, an ordinary uncle in my 50s. No background, no connections, and I was unemployed for years. Many think life at my age is fixed, but I refuse to give in. With 2 legs and 1 phone, I found my way in Huaqiang North, Shenzhen. Today, I share what I do: global sourcing. Simply put, I connect Chinese factories with overseas buyers. I'm not wandering or setting up a stall, I'm building a bridge between made in China and the world. Why is this for ordinary people? Because information asymmetry exists everywhere. Foreigners come for electronic products but can't find reliable factories. Chinese factories have good products but no global access. This gap is our chance: no capital, no high education, just courage to look, ask and record. In Huaqiang North, I've seen miracles. A 20-something Australian makes business by shooting videos. A Brazilian entrepreneur earns big with small innovative products. For a night, deep practitioners and entrepreneurs are eager for Chinese partners. We can do the same, even better. To confused young people, don't fear unemployment or lack of background. Learn English. Talk to global merchants. Study IT. Meet industry leaders. Do foreign trade. There are endless orders. A card, a talk, a video can change your life. I started in my 50s, no team, no investment, just myself. I record products, understand overseas needs, and promote Chinese goods globally. No stock, no money pressure, just light assets but global business. This is the most feasible path for ordinary people. Finally, fate never mistreats ordinary people, only those who don't act. I use 1 phone in Huaqiang North to connect the world. If I can do it, you can too. May every ordinary person find their way, refuse to give up, and live wonderfully together. Thank you all.